Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. I'm here. I'm back in Pittsburgh. Glenn's running late. I assume he went to pick up the stuff that I need to finish the projects inside. So I brought some of my own tools. So I'm just going to start getting ahead on this deck. And I wanted to sand the tops here because they're pretty rough and you know, so nobody gets splinters. You can see it's been out in the sun, and this is sun damage where it's all dried out because there hasn't been any product on it. So I'm going to go ahead and sand a little bit and see if that does anything to help it. And of course I forgot all my protection. All right, it's working pretty good.
Not the prettiest, but it works. sure where that one's going. I don't think I'm going to mess with it. I was going to tie it on. Tighten this thing, and it's still spinning. Look at it.
I don't know why it's spinning, Glenn.
Where did I put the thing at?
Are you saying this mark here is the stud?
Right where I drilled at.
Okay. Okay, I've caulked all the cracks. And I'll put some paint over that. It'll look so much better than showing gaps. Okay, we now have the backsplash up and anchored in. Glenn's going to make some plugs out of the original wood in the back. You won't even see those holes. You just want me to have the miss. I know how you work, Glenn. I hit it. I hit it.
See? I wasn't going to steer you wrong, Elizabeth.
I'm seeing that, Glenn, and I doubted you. Okay. Nice. Well, my self-reliant peep, that's it for today. It's quitting time. It's Friday. And I'm going to take Gertie and we're going to head back. And we got the bits done that we couldn't finish yesterday because we didn't have the right equipment. The backsplash is up. I have to caulk it. Glenn's going to make plugs, and we'll pull those plugs in there and hide the screws. It's all good. See you next week.